Welcome to Hindi Urdu Learning Station. In this video, we will discuss about postposition say and may. Say give a sense for, from, by, with, since. It shows a spatial movement away from something or ellipse of time. Since, for, from. Some examples. I have been sick for 2 days. मैं 2 दिन से बीमार हूँ. I am filling the bottle from water. मैं बोतल पानी से भर रही हूँ. Say may mark the instrument and is translated as with or by. For example, we will travel by train. हम रेलगाड़ी से सफर करेंगे. I am speaking with him. मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ. Don't argue with students. छात्रों से या तुलबा से बहस मत करो. Say can be used for locations. My school is far from here. मेरा स्कूल यहाँ से दूर है. My school is near from there. मेरा स्कूल वहाँ से करीब या नजदीक है. Say is the postposition used for comparison. My family is smaller than your family. मेरा परिवार या खानदान आपके परिवार से छोटा है. America is bigger than India. अमेरिका भारत या हिंदुस्तान से बड़ा है. Say plus some verbs. So several verbs that involve communication or abstract nouns are marked by postposition say. For example, say कहना, say बोलना, say बात करना, say पूछना, say मिलना, say लड़ना, say बहस करना, say प्यार करना, say नफरत करना. Say is a compound postposition. Say पहले before, say दूर far from, say करीब या नजदीक close और near. Say is added to noun to form adverbial phrases of manner. For example, खुशी से happily, गम से sadly, दुख से या अफसोस से sadly, सावधानी या एहतियात से केयरफुली, जोर से लाउडली, धीरे से या धीमे से स्लोली, तेजी से फास्ट, जल्दी से क्विकली, फुर्ती से हेस्टली. Now the second one, may. May shows in, at, on, into, inside, between, among, or express location in or at a point in space or time. Such location may be concrete or quite abstract. For example, we are on the way now. हम अभी रास्ते में हैं. We are in the house. हम घर में हैं. There is deep love between both of them. दोनों में गहरा प्यार या गहरी मोहब्बत है. In few days, कुछ दिनों में. One thing, always remember when destination is a gathering of people, then we will use may. We will go to a party. हम एक दावत में जाएंगे. She went to a marriage. वो एक शादी में गई. May plus lagna, when may is used with lagna, it give a sense to apply, to express, to cost and to take time. For example, this work cost 500 rupees. इस काम में 500 रुपए लगेंगे. How many days did it take to go there? वहां जाने में कितने दिन लगे? Use of may for time unit. So last week, पिछले सप्ताह में, last year, during last year, पिछले वर्ष या साल में, this month, during this month, इस महीने में, that week, during that week, उस सप्ताह या हफ्ते में. Note that the word पिछले appears in its oblique form because postposition may is understood to follow time units, but may is not written or spoken. It's understood. It's just like a ghost position. May plus say. It shows between or among, can be translated between and among. My house is among those houses. मेरा घर उन घरों में से है. My friend is one of those boys. मेरा दोस्त उन लड़कों में से एक है. So note that when we are saying मेरा घर उन घरों में से है, so it shows located among them. And when I am saying मेरा दोस्त उन लड़कों में से एक है, located but also isolated among them. Take 3 among those. उनमें से 3 लो. Which one of these do you like? आपको इनमें से कौन पसंद है? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Hindi Urdu lessons, Hindi Urdu Learning Station. Thank you.